Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on complementary and supplementary angles. When two angles add up to 90 degrees, we say that the two angles are complementary. In the above diagram, we can see that angle ABD equals 90 degrees. Furthermore, this right angle is divided into smaller angles as follows. Angle ABC equals 40 degrees and angle CBD equals 50 degrees. Since angle ABC plus angle CBD equals 90 degrees, we say that the two angles are complementary. So basically 40 plus 50 equals 90, so those two angles are complementary. A simple example, what is the complement of 65? The complement of 65 degrees equals 90 minus 65, which is 25. And the quick way to check that is 65 plus 25 equals 90. So the two angles are complementary. When two angles add up to 180 degrees, we say that the two angles are supplementary. In the above diagram, we can see that angle ABD equals 180. ABD, that is the straight line. Furthermore, this straight angle is divided into two smaller angles as follows. Angle ABC equals 120, which is this one, and angle CBD equals 60, which is this one. Since angle ABC plus angle CBD equals 180, we say that the two angles are supplementary. So here's a simple example. Find angle CBD in the above diagram. So we have to find this angle here. Angle CBD equals angle ABD minus angle ABC. In other words, this angle here with the red arrow is 180 degrees minus 100. So 180 degrees minus 100 gives us 80 degrees. So the 80 degrees, which is here, plus the 100, they add up together to give you 180, so those two angles are supplementary. So this simple video has introduced the idea of complementary and supplementary angles, and we've seen some simple examples.